Okay, so who this pathway is for? So this pathway may be suitable for, of course, professionals seeking international experience, individuals planning for long-term migration, and families wanting better opportunities for their children, and applicants who are financially prepared for study and investment. And of course, hindi lang ito yung sa mga serious na magbi-build talaga a future in Sila. Okay? So at SDH, we guide clients through each step of the process. So how SDH will help you? First is kami yung mag-a-assess sa iyo for the school enrollment, of course. And after can receive your offer a place from the school, we will now then proceed for your student visa application. Okay, of course, nandoon din yung immigration strategy guidance with our advisor. And of course, yung family visa planning. Yan. And of course, eventually, you will become part of our Golden Circle. So, nandoon yung mga support, mga benefits ng Golden Circle. All right. So, if you are interested in exploring the study pathway, the first step. So, ano nga ba yung first step mo? Is to complete an eligibility assessment with one of our licensed education counselors. So, during this session, we will review your background, of course. We will recommend suitable study programs for you, and we will discuss your possible pathway to work and residency. So, ito yung pinaka-first step na gagawin mo to book an assessment with our licensed education. So, all right. So, the eligibility assessment fee is only 150 pesos. So, very affordable for you. So, walang masasayang kasi doon na part, i-discuss natin yung eligibility. Okay, so this small step helps you ensure that you receive proper guidance before making your investment. Because hindi lang po pero yung, hindi lang minimal amount yung i-invest mo for this pathway. Of course, this will help you avoid choosing the wrong course first. Of course, wasting your tuition investment and applying for the wrong visa path.